welcome you all on Rishikul Online School, the best platform for providing education to students. Again, I welcome you all. Student, this is module number 5, and in this module, we shall discuss the story in the kingdom of fools that has been taken from your book Moments. So let's go to next slide and see. Students, in the previous module, we have discussed that the Guru advises the king that whoever dies first will be reborn as the king and the next person will be reborn as the minister. So, in this slide, we shall discuss further. So, let's go and see. This information put the king in deep thought. He discussed the matter with his minister and they decided to go to the stake themselves. The minister told the executioners that the criminals to be punished would be sent at night. They should be killed one after the other without any mistake. At night, the king and his minister secretly went to the prison and set free the Guru and his disciple. Then they disguised themselves as the two criminals and were executed as per their revised orders. Rest of the story will be discussed in the next slide. So let's go to next slide and see. Students, in the previous slide, we have seen that the king and his minister were executed as per the order. And then what happens? We shall see in this slide. When their bodies were taken down to be thrown to the crows and vultures, people panicked. The city got confused. They mourned all night and finally went to the Guru and begged him and his disciple to be their king and minister. The disciple agreed easily, but the Guru agreed on the condition that they would be allowed to change the old laws. Then, on night and day began to be used in their normal way, and the price of all things no longer remained one dudu each. I hope that students you might have understood very well this story, and in the next slide we shall discuss about the title. So let's go and see. Students, in this slide we shall discuss about the title and come to know whether the title is appropriate or not. So let's go and see. In the Kingdom of Fools is a story about a kingdom ruled by a foolish king and his silly minister. The people too are foolish, for they obey the most ridiculous orders passed by their king. The entire action of the story takes place in this kingdom. The reasons that make this place a kingdom of fools are well exemplified by the episodes in which innocent people are caught one after the other in the name of justice. Hence, the title stands justified and apt in every way. Students, I hope that you might have understood the title, whether it is appropriate or not. Rest of the things will be discussed in the next module. So keep watching the module and wait for the next module. So stay at home and be safe. Thank you.